Hi everyone, welcome to Selenium Python tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to run a specific test case in Selenium Python using Pytest. When you have many test cases, it's not always practical to run them all at once. I will explain how you can run only the test you need, making your testing faster and more focused. So let's begin. Create a new Python file, right click on Python project, new, and then click on Python file. Enter the file name test case underscore execution and then click on Python file. Now create a function here def test underscore registration. Suppose this is one test case, and here we define at the rate pytest dot mark dot and enter the name. Suppose you want to perform the smoke testing and you want only run the smoke test cases. So here you can define pytest.mark.smoke and print some text here. This is registration test case. This is first test case, same as well. Create an other test case, copy this and paste here. And in this scenario, we say this is our smoke test case for login page. And here we define pytest.mark.smoke. This is our smoke test case and create an other test case here for regression. Suppose this is our regression test case and here this is home test case and create an other test case regression. Now we have total 4 test cases and 2 test cases smoke and 2 regression and here enter logout. Now I will show you how you can run only smoke test cases or either regression. For running the specific test case here, we define smoke. Before execution of this test case, we need to change the function name because all functions name are same. Otherwise, it will throw an error. Change here test underscore login and change function name here test underscore home. Same as well. Here we need to change test underscore registration to test underscore logout. Now we have total 4 test cases. Now running this test case, open the terminal and enter pytest and then enter the file name here file name test case underscore execution test case underscore execution and then enter extension .py -m and then enter smoke. Now, only smoke test cases will run in this scenario. -m. Here you can view 2 passed and 2 deselected. In PyTest, print statement will not be displayed the terminal by default. If you are getting any error or fail, then you can view the print statement in a console. Same as well, we can execute the regression test cases. Just type here regression. Now, these 2 test cases will be executed. We can failed these test cases by using assert. So here use assert and print some text in a console assert 1 equal 1. This test case will pass, and here you assert 1 equal 2. Now we can print this is login test case in a console and change here regression to smoke. Now here you can view this is login test printed in a console, and we executed two test cases, one failed, one passed, and two deselected. That's it for today's tutorial on running specific test cases in Selenium Python using Pytest. I hope you found this method useful for managing your test run more efficiently. If this video helped you, please give it a like, share it with others, and leave a comment below. With any questions or suggestions, don't forget to subscribe to SK World for more easy and helpful testing tutorials. See you in the next video.